Hi, this is Chinmayi. Today on the channel, I'm going to be giving you my thoughts and my opinion on this beautiful eyeliner brand called Unframe the Beauty or UZ Beauty by Flo Fushi. So let me take you right in.
Hi!
BB thickening ever.
Hi, this is Chinmayi.
So I went trotting about in New York, searching and finding their store in the streets of, I think it was Howard Street, New York, and it was just a couple of blocks away from the Glossier store, which I really loved visiting as well. But one of the best things, this is a Japanese brand, and they also gave me these bags because I had gone and it has this nut and bolt sort of a system. So if you unscrew the nut, see, these are the kind of things that the Japanese actually come up with, and it's kind of pretty, it's very pretty what they do. So they have this nut and bolt, and I was with my great brains. I actually tried to think that this was something that will help me open the packaging, but clearly no. This is only to make sure that this handle or this drawstring or whatever I want to call it. Right now, my brain's not functioning. Can work, and it's a bag like this. Anyway, so one of the beautiful things about the UZ Beauty liner is that they have black liners with iridescent and color shifting pink, green, orange, yellow and blue, and so many of these shades which I actually picked up in the store, and they didn't have two shades, it was out of stock, and they actually were really kind to get the store open and give me these products while I went in, because the store was basically closed. They were doing other things, and they were apparently going to come on with a new product. I actually saw the Katie Jane Hughes, the makeup artist that I follow on Instagram. I saw her use this eyeliner, and one of the things is that this eyeliner and the brush is crafted by hand, and it is created by traditional craftsmen from the Kumano region of Japan, who hand blend custom made fibers for firmness, flexibility and softness. And one of the most important things that they said, that this is waterproof, so you can actually go in and if you are swimming with it, you can swim with it, but it is also sweat, humidity, tears, oil waterproof, but it can be easily removed with just warm water. So I don't know how that works, because sweat will be slightly warm. I'm going to be testing it out, and this has this really lovely beautiful packaging. I think this part is kind of recyclable, and here's the packaging, so beautiful. This is cardboard, also recyclable, and this is also resealable, so you can keep it back into this package and seal it back. I'm going to be going in with the brown today, or maybe I could go in with the blue or the purple. I'm going in with the purple. Okay, so the package with purple is actually yellow in color, so that kind of threw me off. I was not looking for a yellow colored purple eyeliner package. So here's the purple. This eyeliner brush really is unlike anything that I've used, even though it's like a very typical felt tip liner, but it definitely does feel different. It goes on really smooth. You can go really close to your eyelashes as well, and they also said that even if you end up rubbing your eyes after this, it's not a problem. So you see, this is something, if you need or if you'd like your multicolored eyeliner looks, this is something that you can easily achieve. The shades that I bought from the UZ Beauty liner are actually grey, brown, yellow, orange, white, black, purple, light blue, and did I say brown? I think I said brown, and khaki. What I couldn't buy, I think, was the orange and the pink, if I remember right. No, I do have the orange. Pink and another shade is something that I couldn't buy, and I thought I would perhaps bring it back whenever I could. They also ship internationally, so I'm going to be linking the website down below, so you can check it out whenever you like. This is actually going to be one of my favorite colored eyeliners. One of the things about their black liner is also that it's fantastic in quality. I am going to be just lining my eyes a little on the top with the black liner. I absolutely love this. I so love this eyeliner. I mean, each time I run out, I'm sure I'm going to be buying this all the time. As I went about doing my eyes, I tried to see how easy it is to reach out to my inner corner without, and to see how whether it is smudging if I just went through this, and it gives me a really pointed, really precise reach to my inner corner without, see, usually when I do something like this, I end up smudging on this side or the other. This is with the eyeliners that I have used before, and it gives a great good pigment at the tip of this brush that they have handcrafted and hand put together. Overall, this is the best eyeliner I have used so far, and the quality of the pigment in the ink, the quality of the brush, how precise it is, how soft it is, how non-irritating it is, and usually what happens is that when I have gone in with my eyeliner, my eyes will kind of start reacting. Or rather it will start watering, and which is why I am very, very picky about the kind of eyeliner that I use. I also like how beautiful the pigment is. As I said, I was able to reach the inner corners with quite a bit of ease, because I am not an eyeliner pro, right? And if I was able to achieve this sort of a wing and the sharpness in just one try, I definitely think it has something to do with this, the way the brush has been designed. And take my word for it, in my opinion, this is the best eyeliner that I have used. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.